Hi, I'm going to show you how you can easily put in players into upgrade SBCs or any SBC where you have to put in 11 players. So as example, I'm going to go to upgrades. I'm going to go to gold upgrade. I will press the L3 button on my controller. If you're on Xbox, it's the same story. Your left joystick, just press it in. Then you'll get this. Then press squad builder. Then quality, you put in gold or whatever you need, but most cases it's gold. Then again, press your joystick, so L3, go up, go right, then you can see rating low to high, press X, up, build squad, and what this does is it automatically puts in the lowest gold players you got in your club, or silver, or whatever you put in. So this is a very easy and fast way to do it.